Huizhou Hampai Industrial Company Limited belongs to a group company which operates a specialized factory dedicated to manufacturing catalytic converters for diesel vehicles and industrial applications. Our coating plant covers 30,000 square meters with an initial investment of $30 million. Currently, our annual production capacity reaches up to 6 million liters. We produce a comprehensive range of catalytic products for diesel exhaust systems, such as diesel oxidation catalysts, DOC, diesel particulate filters, DPF, selective catalytic reduction catalysts, SCR, and other customized solutions. Our expertise ensures high-quality, tailored products to meet diverse industry needs efficiently and reliably.